staying active doesn't have to be overwhelming. Whether you're just getting started or trying to get back into a routine, these quick fitness facts can help you stay motivated. 1. Short workouts are powerful. You don't need to spend hours exercising. Experts say the first 20 minutes deliver the greatest health benefits. Even short bursts of movement make a difference. 2. It doesn't have to be intense. Any activity that gets your heart pumping is beneficial. Aim for moderate effort, about 50 to 70% of your maximum heart rate. Walking, biking, or dancing all count. 3. Focus on health, not just weight. Exercise improves your heart, mood, energy, and longevity, no matter your body size. It's about feeling better, not just shedding pounds. 4. Weekend-only workouts work too. Can't fit it in during the week? That's okay. People who get 150 minutes of exercise over just 2 days still gain major health benefits.